How to know Instagram stories without anybody knowing. So this is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So first of all, we are going to open Instagram app on our mobile. Now as I open Instagram app on my mobile, now all the stories will be loaded over here. Now I have to let them load for some time, like say some seconds. Then I have to scroll down or scroll up in case of we are using any iOS device. Then go on flight mode. As you click on flight mode, now you have to view anybody's story and then get back and then close the Instagram and now turn back on the internet. Now this will make sure that nobody knows that you viewed their Instagram stories. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.